Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to enable chat backup in the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in. Once you're in, you'll see your main chat screen with all your conversations. Now tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage various features and preferences for your Signal account. Next, tap on Backups. This option allows you to set up automatic backups of your chats, ensuring that your important conversations are safely stored and can be restored if needed. Once you're in the Backups section, tap on Device Backups. This feature enables you to save your Signal chat history directly to your phone's storage, giving you full control over where your backup files are kept. Now tap Turn on Backups to activate this feature. Enabling backups is crucial because it ensures that all your messages, media, and attachments are securely saved, so you won't lose any important information if you switch devices or reinstall the app. After that, tap Choose Folder. You'll need to wait for a few seconds while the system loads your device's folder structure. This step is important because it lets you decide exactly where on your phone you want to store these backup files. Once the folder list appears, tap the folder where you want to save your backups. If you prefer, you can also create a new folder specifically for Signal backups to keep things organized. Choose a location that has enough storage space and is easy for you to remember. Next, tap Use this folder at the bottom of the screen. This confirms your folder selection and tells Signal where to save your backup files going forward. When prompted, tap Allow to grant Signal the necessary permissions to access and write to your chosen folder. This permission is essential for the app to successfully create and store backup files on your device. Finally, you'll see an option to view your recovery key at the bottom of the screen. However, I won't tap it for privacy purposes. The recovery key is a unique passphrase that Signal generates to encrypt your backups. You'll need this key if you ever want to restore your chats on a new device, so make sure to save it somewhere secure when you do view it, and that's it. You've successfully enabled chat backups in Signal, and your conversations will now be automatically saved to your chosen folder. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.